is Channel 9 Eyewitness News at 5. Coverage you can count on.
Some Florida lawmakers want to make it easier for banks to foreclose on homes. New numbers show foreclosures in Orlando jumped 42% last month. And as Channel 9's Mary Wynn explains, a new bill being pushed at the state capitol could push that number even higher.
State legislators are looking to expedite the foreclosure process because they say it's taking too long. But that could be bad news for homeowners. Governor Rick Scott says he wants to improve the housing market here in Florida. His suggestion: pass legislation to make Florida a non-judicial foreclosure state. Banks would then take over the process. A Celebration homeowner who did not want to be identified said his foreclosure has been in limbo for 2.5 years.
They did so many loans at the time that they did these loans. The paperwork isn't even proper, that they can't even properly foreclose on homes.
Right now in Florida, banks are required to file paperwork with the courts. Then a judge signs off on the foreclosure. But if this becomes law, all the banks would have to do is send you a letter through the mail, and then they could take your home. Attorney Sherri DeWitt says banks could take advantage of the system and homeowners would lose some of their rights.
They can pursue the modification process. They can pursue the short sale process. The shorter the amount of time, the less time they have to try to save their home.
It's estimated a typical foreclosure takes between 24 to 26 months. DeWitt says this process would take off about 6 months. Governor Scott says when foreclosures take a long time, fewer people want to lend money to home buyers and the market can't recover. The Celebration resident said judges need to be involved. They act as referees. In his case, the judge has filed a motion to dismiss because the banks have not responded and provided the proper paperwork.
You are allowed to defend yourself when you have a civil court action. So if you can't defend yourself, and just because it's a bank doesn't make them always right.
Reporting in Celebration, Mary Wynn, Channel 9 Eyewitness News.